Hey everyone, I'm Mike Hengy, your mortgage mentor, and today we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most common questions that home buyers ask. Should I use a conventional loan or an FHA loan? If you've ever been confused about what loan type is better, what the real differences are, or which one gets you the best long-term outcome, you're in the right place. We're going to break this down in plain English. No jargon, no complicated math, just a clear comparison so you can make the right decision for your situation. Let's get started. A conventional loan is backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, not the government. This is the most common type of mortgage in the country. An FHA loan, on the other hand, is backed by the Federal Housing Administration, which is a division of HUD. Here's the easiest way to think about it. Conventional loans reward strong credit and clean financial profiles. FHA loans help buyers with lower credit scores and higher debt get approved. Neither one is better. They're just tools, and the right tool depends on your goals and your situation. This is where things get interesting. Conventional loans prefer higher credit scores, and the pricing gets better the higher the credit score you have. FHA loans are designed for lower credit scores, as low as 580, sometimes even lower with strong compensating factors. So who wins? If your score is higher, conventional usually wins. If your credit needs some work, FHA typically gives you more breathing room. This is one of the reasons most first-time homebuyers lean FHA. It's simply more forgiving. Both of these programs let you buy a home without 20% down. Please hear that again. You don't need a 20% down payment. With conventional, the minimum down payment is 3% for first-time homebuyers. FHA, the minimum down payment is only 3.5%. Pretty close, right? The difference isn't down payment. It's what comes next. This is where buyers make their decision. FHA mortgage insurance has two parts. A one-time upfront fee that's added to the loan, and a monthly mortgage insurance premium. And it stays on for the life of the loan, unless you refinance into a conventional loan later. Conventional loan mortgage insurance only applies if you put less than 20% down, but it can go away once you've reached enough equity. This is huge. If you plan to stay in the home a long time, conventional loans may help you save thousands because the PMI eventually disappears. In many markets, FHA loans might have a slightly lower rate than conventional does. This can help if you need a lower monthly payment or credit is a concern. But remember, FHA mortgage insurance sticks around. So sometimes the savings on the rate are canceled out by the long-term mortgage insurance. This is why every buyer gets a personalized side-by-side comparison from me. The lower rate doesn't necessarily always mean a better loan. Another major difference is your DTI, that's your debt to income ratio. FHA is much more flexible. Often you can go over 50% depending on your file. Conventional is much more strict. It's always capped at 50%. So if your debt is higher or income is tight, FHA gives you more breathing room. A lot of people don't know this one. FHA appraisals have health and safety standards. That means peeling paint, missing handrails, leaky roofs, outdated electrical, trip hazards, damaged flooring can all be flagged. Conventional is more flexible. So if the home you're buying needs cosmetic work or minor repairs, conventional might be the best option. So which one is better? Let's simplify this even further. FHA is great for lower credit scores, higher debt to income, smaller down payments, people rebuilding financially, and first-time home buyers that want lower rates. Conventional is great for good credit scores, buyers who want PMI to drop off, long-term homeowners, people planning to stay put, investors, FHA doesn't allow that, and buyers that want more appraisal flexibility. There's no wrong answer, only the right fit for your financial goals. Here's the truth. You don't need to be an expert in mortgage guidelines. You don't need to memorize the loan types. You just need somebody that can walk you through your options in clear, plain English. If you want a personalized comparison, conventional versus FHA for your numbers, reach out anytime. I'll help you understand your buying power, build a plan that fits your life, and guide you through every step of the way. Let's make homeownership simple together.